110, Real-Life English Conversations. Chapter 3, Family and Relationships. Three point 1, Talking about your family. Conversation 1, Introducing your family.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older brother and a younger sister. What about you?
I'm an only child, but I have a lot of cousins.
That must be fun. Do you see them often?
Yes, we have family gatherings every few months.
Conversation 2, Describing family members.
Tell me about your family.
Sure, my dad is a doctor and my mom is a teacher. I also have a little brother who's still in school.
That's nice. Do you all live together?
Yes, we do. It's a full house, but I love it.
Three point 2, Discussing family traditions and events. Conversation 3, Family traditions.
Does your family have any special traditions?
Yes, every Sunday, we have a big family dinner.
That sounds wonderful. What do you usually eat?
We cook different things, but my grandma makes the best pasta.
Conversation 4, Celebrating special occasions.
How does your family celebrate birthdays?
We usually have a small party at home with a cake and presents.
That's nice. Do you have a big celebration for holidays too?
Yes, we always get together for Christmas and New Year's.
Three point 3, Talking about friendships. Conversation 5, Making new friends.
How did you and your best friend meet?
We met in college. We were in the same class.
That's cool. What do you usually do together?
We love watching movies and trying new restaurants.
Conversation 6, Describing a friend.
Tell me about your best friend.
Her name is Emily. She's funny, kind, and always there for me.
That's great. It's important to have friends like that.
Yes. She's like a sister to me.
Three point 4, Talking about relationships. Conversation 7, Dating and relationships.
Are you in a relationship?
Yes, I've been dating someone for 2 years now.
That's nice. How did you meet?
We met through mutual friends at a party.
Conversation 8, Talking about marriage.
Do you believe in marriage?
Yes, I think it's a beautiful commitment. What about you?
I do too. I hope to get married one day.
Me too. I think having a loving partner is important.
3.5, Handling family and friendship conflicts. Conversation 9, Family arguments.
Have you ever argued with your siblings?
Of course. We argue about small things, but we always make up quickly.
That's normal. Family always sticks together.
Exactly. No matter what, we support each other.
Conversation 10, Solving friendship problems.
My friend and I had a big fight. I don't know what to do.
Maybe you should talk to them and explain how you feel.
You're right. I don't want to lose our friendship over a small issue.
Good idea. True friends always find a way to make things right.
Chapter summary and key phrases. I have a big/small family. We always celebrate together. My best friend is someone I can trust. I believe in love and strong relationships. Sometimes we argue, but we always make up. See you at the next chapter. Chapter 4, Daily Routines and Free Time? Please subscribe to my channel if you find this useful and helpful.